Hey everybody, how y'all doing? I haven't been on in a long time, I know that, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I've been busy. My living situation has kind of changed. I'm actually living with a friend of mine, and she has kids, so me getting to be able to do this is dependent on really when they're not here. But they're not here right now, so I have some time, so I figured I'd make a quick recording because I'm sneezing all day. Yeah, so Jesus. Like I said, I've been sneezing all day. I'm not entirely sure why. It is fall, so it's entirely possible that my allergies are being weird. However, it is fall, so it's entirely possible that I'm getting sick. I'm not sure what's happening. But I really hope I'm not getting sick because tomorrow's Halloween. And I have plans, and I'm going to them, damn it. With or without a cold, I am going on my plans. Oh, crap. So, this isn't going to be a very long video, guys. I know, I'm sorry. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I am still I'm around. My ability to make videos is kind of dependent on when the people I live with are here or not. So feel free to keep sending in requests. Feel free to keep doing all that fun stuff. Leaving comments. I do read your comments, I do. But once again, if you want a request, if you do have a request for me, and you really, really are set on it, you might want to send it to my private message me, I guess, if you can still do that. Just because I do read all the comments, but sometimes stuff gets kind of forgotten about or lost in the bottom of comments list or whatever. But I will do your request, I promise. Jesus. They just might not come through right away. Excuse me. So, yeah. Just letting you know I am still around. I'm just sort of in a weird position. But, yeah. So, I hope this is allergies and not a cold, because I am going out tomorrow night. Damn it. Alright. Love y'all. Bye.